Okay, man. Last day. Okay, man. Last day. Shit, that's not good. Shit, that's not good. What's up, brother? What's up? What's up, brother? What's up? What's up, brother? What's up? This was profitable. That's good. That's good. All right, what do we got on the indices? What do we got on GBP? All right, we're not trading any forex on Friday. And get my forex positions Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. See what we got for the indices. The last day. Trying to end strong. Trying to end strong. See if we can get to 4 digits on the funded account. Is there news today? No. Oh. Wait, today's CPI? That's interesting. Okay, I didn't know today was CPI. What's up, Addy? What's up, Kumar? It's good. It's good. Just woke up like 30 minutes ago. We're looking to trade today. So today was CPI. I've been pretty good with CPI so far. Mm. Didn't give me an entry. That's tough. Maybe, I mean, are you bullish? Let me see what the market's looking like. We're in the weekly fair value gap. ES has room to go lower. Let's look at DXY. I feel like I mean, let's see. It's just Friday, so I'll have to see what the market gives. I'm hoping to end strong this week. Today, if I can catch a winning trade with no losses, actually, we're taking that one for a long forward bear strategy. Hmm. Sounds like a good plan. What do you think about this? Looks like we're coming for that low. So maybe we're pretty bullish on the indices right now. Hmm. Tapped into the daily fair value gap. Took out the low. Hey, wait, where is that low here? Is that May 17? Where is that? May 17? How is that? How's that all the way up there, bro? I'm pretty bullish, I guess. This was a, I mean, we're not even in a discount on the higher time frame, but we did take out that low right here. Oh yeah, and then here we swept that low. Did that create SMT? Probably not. Yeah, no SMT there. Well, what's the plan? We're in 50% of this range. We might just have to wait for something extreme to happen. Something to give direction. Like we've taken out low and high. Look at the 4 hour. I feel like we're pretty bullish. I think I'm more interested in longs. That's just me though. Looks like we're gonna inverse this 4 hour. Tap into this order block. Hmm. Not the most clean. I mean, you have kind of equal lows there. Not the most clear, to be honest. Maybe we reach into here. Maybe ES wants to reach into that fair value gap as the drawn liquidity is higher. That seems reasonable. ES reaching for that high. Yeah. I think that's a good drawn liquidity right there. We're already pretty close. We can see it move up, and then which high is this? 1345. Is that just previous day high? Previous day high, 1345. Holy shit. That is very high up there. But that would be right here. We could see, maybe. The drawn liquidity is right here. Let's delete that. I don't need that. But we could just long inside that fair value gap. Or we wait for a low to get taken out. From the FEG and the breaker. This breaker right here. Yeah, it's a good idea. I mean, yeah. Usually in CPI, what I do is if I'm bearish, let's say, or let's say I'm bullish because I'm bullish in this case, I'll either long the CPI candle inside the FEG that's created, or I will just wait for the low to get taken, whichever setup gets taken. So if like this low gets taken, I'll also be interested in longs. if it gives a reaction. Give me 1 second. Let me just throw this. All right. The breaker. Yo, a couple things I want to do. Um, okay, that's one. Two, you're bearish? Hey, good luck, bro. I'm bearish until it comes into like here, which is kind of doing right now. So I'm more bullish to be honest. I'm waiting for a bullish setup, but stick to your thing, bro. I hope it works. All I want here is midnight opening. What is this? I don't need that many. I just want this one. I don't want that one. Raj, yo, everyone listen to Raj. Everyone listen to Raj. This guy knows what's up, bro. Under midnight. Can someone tell me why it's showing me this? Okay, whatever. We don't have time for this right now, so mark out our own midnight and let's just put this away for now. We need to. What we need to do is draw the 50-minute fair value gap. Put a middle line in there, and then see how we start to react. All right, we're 9:30 open. Yeah, under 9:30. I feel like long's incoming. Me too. Let's see. Right, we do have the 15-minute breaker. It's an hourly breaker actually. So low, high, lower, low, higher, high. This is the hourly breaker. We can delete midnight opening because we already know we're looking for longs. So let's see. This is the 15-minute fair value gap we're trading in. If I get a setup inside, if there's a SMT inside, then I'll consider the long inside the fair value gap, but I'm gonna need it to go lower. A pretty nice setup actually. Pretty nice. We tapped into here. Yeah. Low, high, lower, low, higher. Maybe if we get a breaker inside, we get a SMT right here. I like the rejection after Asian low takeout. Yep. Me as well. Let's see. If we can get a breaker inside with the SMT, I'll take that. If no breaker inside, we're gonna wait for the hourly breaker. I like that I like that, Bando. Is that part of your model now? You're locked in with the like midnight opening and no SMT there. We did get low high low low higher high. What ICT is a breaker? It's just a pattern. That's a breaker. Low high lower low higher high. It's just a liquidity sweep market structure shift. Liquidity sweep market structure shift. So that's all. Flip zone. What? So this wick on lower time frame, I'm guessing is an inversion fair value gap. Yes, it is. You see that? So this is a BPR on the 15-minute, and this wick is a 1 hour breaker. See that? See how it's all the same? It's all the same. DXY still hasn't taken the low. That's probably like subzone demand turn to supply. Yo, what happened to my chart, man? Did it just freeze? The heck? Okay. The 1 hour breaker looks clean. Yes, it does. Hey, I want to review. I'm kind of building a model using some. Should I drop them here? Sure, bro. I can give you my personal opinion if that's what you want. If it's ICT related, then I can definitely help you. If it's not ICT related, then I can't really help you. There is an hourly fair value gap inside this breaker. That is so clean. A 1 hour unicorn. Let's see if this plays. Forget this fair value gap, bro. That is way cleaner. And is that below midnight opening too? Oh, yes, it is. Oh, wow. This is, oh, bro. Beautiful. Beautiful girls all over the world. Come on. I know you want to come rebalance this. You know it's coming in there. And if someone took shorts from the open, like, that's a good short, bro, in my opinion. Such a crisp setup. Yep, we just got to get a good entry, though. And let's mark it out here as well. It's literally the same on ES. I wish they were moving in sync. So liquidity swept went below midnight opening inside of the hourly breaker FEG. This is typical for like a power of three, right? Open, low, high, retrace, high, close. So I'm really thinking about implementing like power of three more. Not for the daily candle, but for like, I mean, yeah, for the daily candle to help with bias. But like, look how clean this power of three is. Like, it's clean as hell. I don't want it to show, I just want it to show midnight opening. I don't know why it's showing the old one. I don't care about the old one. I just care about this one today. Mm, opening prices. Yeah, this is the one I want. Oh, session draw limit 1. Yay, we did it. Okay. Now we have midnight always marked out for us, so we don't have to do it ourselves. Do one more thing I want to do. Why is it gonna stop right there? I need it to go more out. Why is it? Whatever. We didn't tap in yet. We're gonna stay patient. Gonna stay patient here. Liquidity sweep plus market structure shift, fair value gap plus OTE plus standard deviations plus quarterly theory plus MXN plus open handle close plus power of 3. Brother, brother. That is a little bit too many things, brother. First of all, let me ask you one thing before any of that. Is bias a part of your model or no? In my opinion, you don't need that many stuffs. First of all, power of 3, open, high, low, close, and quarterly theory are pretty much all the same things. So you can just say pick one that you like. Personally, I didn't like quarterly theory. I like power of 3, which is the same thing as open, high, low, close. So daily bias is a part of your thing. So the first thing you need to do is daily bias, right? I would break it down from there. I like to break mine. You know what? I'll give you a sneak peek. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. This is my model, right? I start the economic calendar. That's the first thing I do. Then I go to bias, and then from there I break down, right? I'm still working on that. It's not done, but that's how I do it. So I know you're just trying to. So for an entry model, liquidity sweep, market structure shift, fair value, that's a beautiful entry model. You don't need more than entry. You can, whatever entry model you want, whichever one you see. Yeah, that's really all. If you trade with bias, then you just got to find out the drawn liquidity. So if you know where the liquidity is, someone said like if you either know where the liquidity is or you're the liquidity if you don't know where it is. Um, so in my opinion, bro, because that's a good idea, but in my opinion, if I were to ask you, like for example, your trading journal, you should be able to go step by step and be like, I did this, check, 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 check. You're not gonna be able to check all those things. Um, so that's my advice. So start with daily bias, and then you tell me what's next. When you're looking for a trade, like bro, you open the charts and someone says, "Yo, I need you to make $1,000 today." What are you gonna do step by step? What's the first thing you're gonna do? Probably look at the economic calendar, right? That's what I think you should do first. Before bias, you need to look at the calendar. What if it's NFP? You're probably not gonna trade that day, for example, or that session. So break it down step by step. Like literally, what would you do? Um, and then go from there. Let's see if we can go lower here. We're already kind of retracing, which is fine. So you come back to me. Yeah, I want to learn macroeconomics. Macroeconomics. What is that exactly? What's a macro? What's macroeconomics? Who told you about macroeconomics? I've never heard ICT talk about that. Kamar knows what's up. I don't know if he's like a busy guy, but I'm sure he can answer some of your questions. I hope it just doesn't run away from here. Yeah, me too. Inversion, market structure shift, fair value gap, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. There's a breaker there, tapped in. Yeah. All inside the fair value gap. Economic data. No. So when I say, sorry, I didn't mean to confuse you. When I said look at the economic calendar, I didn't mean use the economic data because now you're trading with fundamentals. And that's very different than how ICT teaches. He doesn't use the economic data. besides interest rates when he trades forex. He uses economic data, but not in his day trading futures, not in his. Um, so when I said that, I didn't mean. I meant use the economic calendar to find high probability days. Hopefully, the setup fails. Yeah, you can always if you have questions about ICT concepts, bro, I will always be able to help you. That I can do with a great confidence. If there's something you don't understand about ICT's concepts or this setup is good, I hope it fails. That's all I'm gonna say. I hope it fails. It's inside the fair value gap. It traded to the fair value gap low. So this is almost A plus, bro. Like what more can you want from a setup? This is a beautiful freaking setup. You even got the breakaway gap. Oh, this is like all the entries are ticked off with this. IRL taken above midnight opening, low high, lower low, higher high. And you got chain of stated delivery, clean, inversion, breakaway gap with the fair value gap. I guess the RR is a little. The RR is like the one thing that's not that good. I use SMC more and now I'm learning ICT, but I think it's just working as right now. And maybe aim for that high right there. Sweep the M1 lows and come into the flip zone, which you have marked to the breaker and the behind displacement. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Waiting for right here. I'm gonna wait because I think this is A plus. Cause yeah, if we come into here, we get like a 5-minute breaker because it's pretty high, low high. Are we really not gonna come in deeper? It's 70 points away now. It might be too late to be honest. Subtract some topics and adding some. I can't do it like that, brother. That's not really how I think a model should be made. I think a model should be made step by step. So you tell me when you go into the charts, what's the first thing you do? That's the first step. You gotta go step one. If step one is check, step two. Step two is check, step three, all the way until entry. Your entry is your last thing, and then trade management and risk management. So it looks like you gave me a bunch of entry things. So liquidity sweep, market structure shift, fair value gap. For an entry, I think that's all you need. So yeah, and when you say OTE, I think you should make sure you're entering in a premium or a discount respective to your trade. So if that's what you want if that's what the question you're asking me is, your entry model, which is different than your trading model, right? That's just like the last step. Yeah, sure. Liquidity sweep, market structure, fair value gap. That's all I would use. And standard deviations if you want to do projections. As for bias, yeah, you can use power of three, but that's not in the same checklist, right? So you start daily bias. What am I gonna do to daily bias? Power of three, bullish or bearish. If bullish, you gotta look below midnight, stuff, etc., etc. You keep going. Okay, this is nice. If we sweep this and SMT, do I take? No, it's too much. I gotta get it to go lower. Do I take the short from here to here though? That I might do on my combine. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's even gonna come for me anyways. Listen, I'm gonna say something. I know someone out there took this long. I know one of those, and they probably broke even. I'm gonna send someone a screenshot from one of those trading influencers who took along because they said, "Oh, inversion, this. Bro, you gotta look at the higher time frame, bro. You gotta look at the higher time frame. You're trading blind. You don't even know what's going on. You might as well just trade both legs then if you're gonna trade like that. Shorts make sense LPOY. Yeah. 18573. I don't even know where I would enter shorts here though. So what do we do if ES is NQ is gonna tap in just now? ES is not even close. I know who you were talking about, man. You probably do, bro. Bro, I just can't, bro. Because I see the same damn inversion 1 minute liquidity, but I'm like, okay, nice trade. But yo, by the way, I'm gonna tell you guys something. You know what a lot of these influencers do? They have two accounts separate, and one of them they send long, and one of them they send short, and they'll post the results from the one that's winning, and they'll be like, "Oh, look, plus this," and then they get people to buy their course. Cause listen, you guys know how hard trading is. I know you guys know. I'm not saying there's not good traders out there. There are, but there are people who are making it seem way too damn easy, and you can tell it's blatantly obvious. We do have SMT there. We never tapped into the fair value gap on the hourly. We came all the way down here and we did not tap in. I'm not gonna say it's a it's not a must. It doesn't have to tap in for me. Let's just hope it does though. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Oh, that's perfect if that happens. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. That lower low taps into the fair value gap, creates SMT, target these equal highs as partials, and then I'll leave a runner for the high there. And our drawn liquidity is. We have SMT, yeah. We tapped into the breaker, but we didn't tap into the hourly fair value gap. I am close to 700. I'm not doing this for selling the course. Yeah, they do, man. They do. If we can get low, high, lower, low, higher, high, SMT in there. Oh, right at the macro too. Pop. I'm going in. I'm full port, full port. If we get a nice displacement that we can work with something here. Yeah. Yeah, that too. If we displace this high, I would take the FEG leg. I don't think that's gonna happen though. I personally want this low to get swept because ES hasn't tapped in, and that kind of scares me. ES is so far, dude. It's not even close. We got low high. Let's get lower low, higher high. If the lower low, listen, I'm gonna say this once. If the lower low, higher high creates an SMT, you know that drawing? You know that drawing that goes like this? And it's like uh it's like this, and it's like key level, and then there's like SMT right there. These shorts from 9 a.m. If you took the shorts, congratulations. I was thinking about it like until the POI. But I didn't take it. I was looking at my combine, but I don't even see where to get it. I would have had to just. When you have a clear drawn liquidity, you can trade anything. You could have traded like this fair value gap here, 960. Well, that doesn't really make sense there. You could have traded that turtle soup, tapped into here. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens here. Low, high, lower, low. All right, let's tap into the hourly fair value gap. We're already so close. Let's tap in there. And let's create a breaker block right here. Yep. We're so close. Just tap in. Don't fall short, naughty. No shot. No way, man. Go. So see how the SMT stands, but it's probably gonna get. Oh, it actually broke. So no SMT there. But let's see if we can tap. I usually don't trade before open, but that 1 hour would be SMT would be not good. Yeah, it would be. You're right. I don't even look at the charts before open. Okay, hopefully we can just tap into that. Because then I'm gonna get like, oh, do we want to tap in? If we don't tap in and the setup forms, I'm still gonna take it. Reason being is I feel like us coming this low and not tapping in at that point. Um, Probably a hard time for SMT in here. All right, let's see. Could probably limit order sell these lows. See what happens here. We would get an inversion breaker, potentially an SMT right here. Our ultimate TP is, but we're gonna aim for this high first. We'll take most of the position off there. And then we'll keep a runner for those 9 a.m. highs. Pretty much silver bullet. Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, we're tapped in. I'm pretty sure we're tapped in. Maybe my thing is your checklist that you made for futures or forex or both. I trade separately from forex and futures. My forex, I usually trade swing trades. So I'm holding for multiple days. Where were people shorting from? The fair value. Yeah, valid. Let's see. Okay, let's see. ES might come tap in here as well. All right, we have. Okay, there's inversion. Would I take it? I'd have to wait, I think, for a market structure shift. Hopefully we can get a breaker inside here. Close above here. Notice how we're tapping into these down close candles here. What would you say for futures? Both are the same, brother. Both are the same. It's whatever you prefer. It's whatever you prefer. The only thing I suggest is, I know there's a lot of like shit talk about forex recently. I personally think futures is better to get into, especially for like long term if you want to trade the same thing. I think futures is better to get into. A lot of people are switching to futures. A lot of people would agree with what I'm saying. So I personally think futures is better, but not for profitability. Just it's the better asset to trade because there's no slippage, there's no spread. It's traded around the world. Everyone has the same data, so it's always, most of the brokers are regulated. So confident about longs. Me too, man. Me too. Just need to get the right entry here, right? I don't want to get stopped out and then it plays out. See, we are going pretty deep here. So like I said, if we take out the low, yeah, the shorts do make sense. Look at that, we tapped in right at 0.6. Nah, a little short, but fuse. Let's say hello bit. So any markets illegal or something to get into futures. Forex is still illegal. So yeah, look into futures then. All right, we're trying to get this reversal. I don't want to miss anything. Let's go to the 3 minute. There's probably like I know there's SMT here, but like no, it's not really the most important. If we can take out this low, I'll also take those longs. DXY. So DXY still looks like it's not going lower yet, but once it does, it looks like it'll come for this low, in which case that's probably around the run that will happen with NASDAQ when DXY starts going lower. Right now, maybe it'll like come to this high for value gap and then go lower. So we can try to time something like that too. We shouldn't go below the breaker. So at this point, I'm focused on the breaker and the FEG low. This hourly closes in 2 minutes. You took something yet? Nah, I'm waiting for longs. Waiting for longs, Rob. DXY, NASDAQ move opposite most of the time. Yeah, they're usually inversely correlated. I'll show you the hourly chart. So we had this push up, we had this push down. Like it's not perfect, but I know a lot of traders, and I know ICT teaches it to look at inversely correlated. What about you, Rob? You take something? I've been waiting for these longs. That's low, high, lower, low, higher, high. If we get a nice displacement, would I take it? We took the shorts. Nice, bro. Yeah, I was thinking about taking the shorts until here. But I am bullish, to be honest, right? We have the hourly breaker and fair value gap here. Watch how this if we close above the fair value gap, that's really clean on the hourly. You want that sweep of this low? Or just this one? Yeah, that might happen. I would look for longs there too, but I'm happy taking them from here just because there's the hourly unicorn. And then from that range, this is OTE. So, like, shit, that's not the fib. Right at OTE. It looks like we value from there as well. We'll have to see. Like, I don't want to. I might need a good displacement, and then I'll probably decide from there. Let's see how we close on the hourly. I want to get a nice entry here. Let's see if we can take out this low and displace, then I'll take the long for sure. If we can take out that low and displace, that would be A plus for me. And if it creates an SMT, then it's A plus plus. It wouldn't be A plus if we just no. It would be an A. Take out this low and displace, and that's perfect for me. But if there's an SMT there, looks like we're closing above on the hourly. Oh. 10 a.m. We could also look for 10 a.m. power of 3. So we want it, if it's 10 a.m. the next candle, we want it to go lower. Let's go lower, take the low, and then give the breaker. That would not. Then I would consider that A plus. I'll give it an A. What would make this A plus? If this sell side wasn't so close, because it's in the reach now. But let's see. Hopefully, just doesn't give us the long if it goes there. There's low, high, lower, low, higher, high. If we get an inversion here, or no SMT there, but that's okay. ES finally just tapped in, so that's good too. ES tapped into the breaker, not the fair value gap, but the breaker. If it doesn't tap into the fair value gap, that's also an SMT on the higher time frame. So if we close above this high, we'll look for a long, something like this. We're pretty close to this low now, 30 points. Do I think it's gonna go there? Oh, actually, it's probable. I don't know if it's gonna take it, but let's see. Because ES doesn't have reason to go lower. Maybe when ES taps into the hourly fair value gap, NQ will take that low. That's possible, I guess. But if we inverse this, I'm taking this long, 100%. No doubt in my mind. The shorts look good. Yo, when people took these shorts, what made you guys think that this fair value gap wasn't gonna hold? Because we swept the low here. We swept the low, and then we displaced into a fair value gap. You guys were thinking shorts from there? That's a crazy wick. Holy shit. Shorts from there? From the OB? Like you guys, like you were anticipating this whole thing to get inversed? That's interesting. For me, like the only shorts I saw were up until here, like just to come back for the imbalance. I guess the fair value gap never really formed on the hourly, eh? It just kind of closed up. That's why I got out. Like, yeah, I guess makes sense. But like we already swept Asia lows. For us to displace and come all the way back down to take that low again. Look at 4 hour. The 4 hour inverse. Oh, this one right here. You're talking about this one, right? Look back further? Further than that, bro? The 4 hour inversion. Talking about this fair value over here. Bro, way back? Bro, what do you mean way like you're talking like what do you mean way back? Like am I tripping, bro? We're talking like up here? Wait, you dead ass me from bro, huh? Bro, I am not looking at a 4 hour fair value. You can't be real, bro. Like what, like this? That's actually pretty clean. Actually lines up really well. Dude, that's crazy. I mean, valid. For me, I would just use this fair value gap right here. There's one right there, a bullish one. So if we do take out that low, yeah, the longs are really good. But even if we fail to take the low, for me the longs still look good, just because the way I see it is the fact we came all the way down here and we did not take that low. If we start to displace aggressively up, I'll take it. I'm gonna take it. I'll put on some risk. It won't be A plus anymore. The low would be A plus, but I will take it. A lot of my trades were based off failure swings on higher time frames. No, you're right. That fair value gap's still valid 100%. 100%. If we did tap into here though, that would be like so good. We take the low, tap into the 4 hour. That is clean. That's like perfect. So I mean, there's no point in marking it up. It's pretty much the same. Low, high, lower, low, higher, higher. If we inverse this, it just wicked. Yeah. The way I see it is like the only low left is this low. ES is not even in question. It's not going down there. However, ES did tap into its breaker. It did not tap into the hourly fair value gap. So let's see if ES can tap in maybe. Give us a SMT like this. And then maybe like NQ takes the low. ES taps in, something like that. I guess the shorts, yeah, the shorts are really good. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know where I would have. It wouldn't have fit my model anyway. You talking about this? Yeah, maybe if we reached up into here at 9:30, then I would have really considered shorts on the way back down. I think that's the one you talked about, Kumar, right? But like that's it for me. Like at 9:30, I don't know where you could have tucked shorts. Like you would have just had to hop in. You would have just had to hop in. Like right here. I did call it right here. I said, oh, like we went up here. To me, this was just like Judas, and we're gonna inverse this. If someone took longs here, they would have got stopped out. I think the old me would have taken longs here because the fair value gap. So we did call out this was fake, and then I was like, yeah, maybe I'll short. I was thinking about shorting right here. I was thinking about shorting right here. Actually, I did have a limit on my combine, and then targeting like wherever the fair value gap was, but no entry there. So okay, what do we do here if it displaces up? Do we take it? It's strong. I'm thinking about it, but it's got to be strong. I don't want to see wicks. It's got to convince me that it's willing to go up. It already came close to the low, and ES didn't tap into the hourly fair value gap. So that's there is SMT there. Yeah, we changed state of delivery. 15-minute inverse high. Oh, this right here. This old low. Yeah, well, right here. This old low is where the low resistance liquidity run ends. So I will mark that. To me, this high is very fair. If we just, like, this is kind of weak. See, this is weak. It doesn't look like it wants to go up. I think I want to see a move lower, maybe one more time. Let's see. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. I feel like ES maybe wants to come tap in. NQ maybe wants to come take the low. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't give us a setup right here because then I have to question taking it or not. Things that will make this more probable for me. If ES taps in. 1. 2. If there's SMT formed off a breaker. 3. If this low gets taken. 3 things. In 15, I took the breaker a little lower, brother. 15, took the breaker a little lower. Waiting for a better setup. Yeah, I'm waiting. Yeah, definitely not this. If you trade this inversion, I mean, yeah, maybe, but not good enough. I need more. Bro, did the market just pause? Like, did they take a washing break? This is... Why is it so slow now? Let me see some voluminous candles. Preferably lower. There's a little 1-minute fair value gap there. Hopefully we can inverse it, which means lower. There it is. All right, there it is. There it is. That's gonna inverse for sure. If you took longs here, market structure fair value gap, you got your ass handed to. So if you faded that long, good job. If we can get a sweep here, yeah. I'm happy with this. ES takes this low, taps in. NQ does not take this low. I'm very happy with that. On the other hand, if we displace from here, I might take it too. But let's see. Just take the low. One of you take it. Damn. Bro, did I mark this FEG wrong? Because did we really just come like a couple ticks away? No, I didn't. We deadass just came that close. 0.5. God damn, bro. Take out that low right now. You playing, you messing. That's crazy, bro. Got me overthinking and shit. It's pretty rare for everything to go your way. You're gonna have to spot the opportunity when it comes. What's the Dow doing? Same shit. None of you gonna take that low. If we inverse this, I don't know. I like how it's remaining unfilled. This low's high probability, I think. Low, high, lower low, higher high. Breaker block. Partial buy side. Equal highs right here. Buy side and partial. All right. Yep. Yep. Oh, nice. He has took. Okay. Okay. You're telling me we are okay? We tapped in. That's good. It's no SMT, but that's fine because we tapped into the hourly fair value gap. If we take this low on NQ, the SMT will be on a higher time frame. So I will mark that out just for shits and giggles. Let's move all this. Let's mark out this. You better take that damn low now. If we get an inversion here, I'll probably take that. Could turtle soup this low? Not interested. Something like this. 20 points. Just target the first high. All right, let's watch this SMT. Did the Dow take it? Yup. Did the Dow take the low? Nope. So the markets are in sync. This is good. This is high probability setup. What do we do if we don't take the low? If we displace and we yeah, if we take out this breaker, then I'll take it. If we were to come all the way down here, then go up 50 points, yeah, I'm taking the long. But at this point, it's probably just gonna take the low. It's good also just keep dumping, and we've been waiting for nothing this whole time. I see the shorts, but I don't think there's no way my model would have formed here. The only setup, yeah, there's just no way I would have been able to see those shorts. The only short I saw was shorting until my point of interest for longs. If you turtle soup that, congratulations. Hopefully it works out. Okay, what do we need here? We need to close above this. Which I have to let it go. Yeah, there's no way I'm taking shorts now. We need to close above this inversion SMT. I will enter at the SMT low. This is my CISD SMT model. It's my second entry model. To be honest, it does look really freaking bearish. To get a reversal here would be really switching the order flow. Because we went open high, very deep low. Like you wouldn't expect just a daily candle to form like this. Right? It's a lot of movement. It is CPI though, so. But let's see. It makes more sense for it to go lower. But we are in a 4-hour bullish fair value gap, right? Let's not forget that. If we inverse this and we change state delivery here, I'm in that shit. Yeah, it's possible, but we did just tap into a 4-hour fair value gap, so we have SMT. Question is, do I wait for a breaker or do I take the SMT trade to stay in delivery model I have? That model is this. I'm entering right here and put 30 points. Oh wait, I'm trading micros. I forgot. Um, that's the model right here. But don't take that low. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for market structure for value gap. I think extra confirmation. Maybe a breaker. I'm gonna have to wait significant price move. I don't want to try and catch a bottom here and just take that. If we get another SMT, that would be nice. Don't tell me ES is coming for that low, bro. We have low, high, lower, low. If we get higher, high, only black candles. You're seeing me. You gotta update it, bro. You gotta push me forward. Oh, the trading is hard as fuck. I thought you were talking about something else. Yeah, it is hard as fuck, bro. You right about that. You right about that. I will trade the 30-second breaker if it forms. I have it on my left monitor. You can on the alerts and 5-minute time frame. That's good, bro. I hope that keeps working for you. But at this point, how do you manage psychological wise? I just stick to my model. I don't really think about the psychology. The 4-hour bear secretary. Yeah, that's a crazy wick. I mean, let's see how this thing does. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. If we get a market structure shift or value gap, I'll take it. I'll take it. We tapped into the 4-hour bullish, right? Just not showing any signs of going up. For psychology, I mean, I'm trading prop firms, so it's not like I'm losing real money. Just basically just losing what I don't have. It would be nice to have it, I guess, but at this point, ES is pretty close to the low, I'd say. It might just come for it. That's an SMT right there. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. If this becomes a breaker, I will take that shit. Basically just trying to, like at this point, yeah, the SMT has to play. Otherwise, I cannot trade this reversal. There's no way. It's too, yeah, showing willingness to go higher. If we market structure shift fair value gap here, if we market structure shift fair value gap, I don't think we will. Let's see. This looks like we're engineering highs. How deep into the 4 hour can you really go? This is SMT inside of a key level, bro. This is high probability match. Just keep running all the low, but that there's no sell side liquidity now. That's what I'm saying. Like we're inside of a bullish 4 hour. There's SMT inside that bullish 4 hour. It's gonna get violated right now. What? What the hell? What the hell is YM doing, bro? Well, YM's going up. Look at the dollar. Dollar, yeah, it's like see how the dollar uh has been. I mean, it's not that clean, but it kind of went up last 4 or 5 minutes. Last 4 or 5 minutes been going down. No SMT there. Like TP123. We need a. I need a breaker. At this point, I'm gonna need a breaker. Low high, lower low, higher high. This would be the breaker. I'll wait for the macro. At least 1050. Even if it's just a retracement at this point. It may not be a full out reversal, but if it inverses this 4 hour, dude. I don't know where the fuck this thing is going, bro. I literally do not know where it's going at this point. These equal lows look nice. If we like took out these lows, we'll see. Also, we have to keep in mind ES, right? ES hasn't taken that low yet. So ES, look, ES hasn't taken the low from low of day yet. So you guys where I think it's going? I think it's going to right here. I'm sure it's at top. It hasn't given setup since. Yeah. Look, ES is just about to take this low right now. That's the higher time frame SMT gone. So let's see how ES reacts. If we inverse this, I will take the long. If not, I'm gonna go cry. Low, high, lower, low. You gotta stay patient, but you gotta stay patient. You gotta stay patient, right? Sell side taking on ES, all right. Market's in sync. The SMT, that's a dollar. I think YM didn't take the low, so there's SMT there. Let's see what happens here. All right. We start wicking potentially. We respect this 4 hour fair value gap. We tapped into the 4 hour order block. Right there. Look at that. Perfect. That is a 4 hour order block that was tapped in. All right. We're in a deep discount. Super oversold, in my opinion. So, see what happens here. If we can get a breaker in here. Sell side taken on ES. Take profit would be the unmitigated 15-minute right here. At least, in my opinion. All right, let's see what happens here. We got low. If we inverse this, maybe. Maybe. Maybe we can get a breaker in here, low, high, low, low, higher, high. Then I will take it. What do you see on the daily? Short of the daily fair value gap. Yeah, there is a daily fair value gap in there. We're trading at low of day. Well, if we were to come here, yeah, we could do so now. Or we could go up higher into like the hourly fair value gap and then use that to go lower. Let's see. We'll keep the daily fair value gap marked up. It's a good call if that's what you were aiming for. Did I just form SMT? No. YM is already going. Look at this, bro. Already 80 points. I don't know how much that is for YM, but okay. If we get SMT, if we're gonna trade, there has to be a SMT breaker. So or macro on the daily fair value gap. That's a good play too. All right, looks like we're gonna tap into the daily fair value gap, which is see how it price reacts there. Yeah, no rush. Daily fair value gaps in play almost. That's 7 points. Oh, 2 points. Like I just don't understand this high. Like it didn't reverse from anywhere. Didn't take a high. Didn't do anything. Just went lower. Would have been a nice price way to be a part of. The only low that I saw was right here. The only short. And if it didn't even give me a fill. Check my phone. Might have to wait for the macro. Stay patient. The shorts just I don't even understand the move shorts, to be honest. We did good by fading out some of the um tapped into the daily fair value gap SMT inside. That's major. Look at the 4 RP race getting respected on the 4 hour. Yeah, I understand this. Oh, so you saw this at 6 a.m. and you thought it's gonna continue lower. But the way I see it is, okay, yeah, sure, we respected this, but just to take out this low, and then after we took out that low, we displaced. Like we went all the way lower, took out the low, and then boom, displaced. So I thought, yeah, hell yeah, shit like that, you know. I understand the drawn liquidity. I can see this now on the daily time frame, like that potentially that this low and this daily fair value gap being strong draw on liquidity, a strong draw on liquidity lower. The good news is we're falling away from all-time highs, which is it's just also nice to see, to be honest. Um, how big is this daily fair value gap? 60 points. Mark it out with a box. But it's probably gonna get inverse. Maybe not this session, but why did I do that? I feel like it's time for lower prices on the indices. Speaking of indices, how's the Roku stock doing? Book. Bro, even Roku's making lower lows. We're finished, bro. Alright. Look at this is the daily fair value gap. Oh, definitely too late for shorts now. There's no way I'm entering a short now. I'm gonna see if this daily fair value gap can give us I think AMD in 15 minutes. You talking about the next macro? I'll see how the daily fair value gap holds. Yeah, we also tapped into the daily fair gap on ES as well, so. Is Roku chart you open now? Yeah, I opened Roku's chart. I have a position with Roku. Yeah, share it on Discord. Let me see. Let me see what you're saying. Inside the daily fair value gap on both. What is Roku? It's a stock. It's a stock. It's a stock. My personal investment account. I day trade futures. I swing trade forex. I don't. It's not a swing trade. I short term trade forex, which is like days. Usually I don't hold for more than a week, usually. And I long term trade stocks, but I'm basically just buying a stock and hoping it goes up or waiting until it does. Dude, this is the. I'm honestly tempted just to close the charts. But I want to see how this reacts. I wanted to take a trade on my combine. How low is it really going to go into the daily fair value gap? Is it really going to inverse it today? I mean, days obviously has 6 more hours. Could poke all the way through. Okay. Yo, that's an who is this guy, bro? That's an amazing entry on my life. I was thinking about this entry and I was gonna short. That's an amazing entry, bro. Wow. Good shit, bro. Wow, this is amazing. Good shit, Pug. That shit was good. All right. No SMT, no trade. We're waiting for SMT and then we'll see. This is the definition of lower resistance liquidity. Like this run. Like I'm not saying this is low resistance liquidity. This whole move was targeting low resistance liquidity. Look at that, bro. What is that? I haven't seen a move like this in a while. It's so steep. Holy shit. That's crazy. That's a steep move, bro. Like how low can you really go? You know? Like on the 3 minute time frame. Is there any down close candles on the 5 minute? Okay. But that's just crazy. Like if you clicked sell today, you won, you know? Unless you clicked sell at 9:35, which we called out, but yo, Poggy entered right here. That's so clean. Oh, he entered on this inversion? Wait, didn't even it fell short. I wonder what he entered on. That's a clean freaking entry though. And that was the exact one I was thinking of. I swear to God, I was gonna just click limit sell, but I didn't. Okay, what do we got here? High, low. Oh, sorry, low, high, lower, low. We'll have to wait for the macro. Okay, at this point, like I'm expecting a retracement at least. All right, I don't know if we're reversing all that move. I wouldn't be surprised if in the PM we just went back to where we were, um, as normal. Yeah, but even then, I wasn't really bearish. Like I'm not sad about missing shorts because honestly, I didn't see them. I didn't think this was gonna happen at all. I was thinking we're just going lower to go higher. So I'm okay with being wrong about that. Oh my God. The first green candle. Well, actually, there's some here, but we could have scalped it at least. Yeah, we could have scalped it. I wonder if Tanya trades took shorts. She's a trader. I like her. She trades good. I trust what she says. Well, there is a bullish fair value gap there. First one, literally the only fair value gap in so long. Imagine this plays. Imagine we just like up, 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 just off that one little fair value gap. Wait to see if 950 gives 1050 gives us anything. Well, the good news is besides today. So I finished my first 4 months of backtest. I'm gonna gather the information, refine the model, refine the data collection process, and I'm gonna backtest 4 more months and see the win rate goes up, down. Now I'm gonna be not just taking only 2R, right? I'm gonna like try to actually like manage the trade in a way. Like it's hard to manage in backtest, but I will like I'm not just gonna take only 2R. Like I'm gonna take reasonable things and I'll actually like do different risks. Like my real risk management strategy is like I risk 200 in one and then if I lose I risk 100 on the second. So let's see. Oh, SMT breaker. I will take it. I will take it. Low, high, lower, low, high, high. I will take SMT breaker if it forms. I don't like this candle right here. So give me a clean delivery. Like, why does it every time an SMT forms, it just needs to break? It's so annoying. Equal lows. You know what I'm saying? No good delivery. Let's respect this daily fair value. Looks like we're just gonna want to go down. What's the next liquidity area in 4 hour daily? I don't even know what to tell you, man. Previous week, 2 previous weeks low, I guess. 171 would be my next logical higher time frame target. This daily swing low. But we're inside of a daily fair value gap. If we don't see some type of retracement here, trading at low of day, like, are we really just gonna go right through this fair value gap? I guess, maybe. I don't know. People took shorts, huh? Um, what time did I check? Low, low, high. Would I take this? The macro's like almost in play. We inverse this little fair value gap here. I think I would. If we can inverse that, take out the high. Um, really? Even the tiniest of tiny fair value gaps we still respect like that. Just go lower, man. Just go higher. I'm like, I even take a trade at this point. I probably won't even trade it here. I'll trade it on my combine because my combine is almost blown and I want to get new ones. So I'd rather either just like kind of send it on that or because they have a deal right now. So 1050 macro approaching. 924 he entered. Yeah, so if you got the pre-market move, it was nice. Okay. Yes, not taking lows. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Do we get a breaker? At least our patience was kind of good. We can get a clean breaker inversion here. And then if we can get that at the macro, it's just going on melting. Yeah. I'll wait for the macro because the thing is this hourly candle is gonna close and it's at the low right now. It's trading at the low right now. So if it's gonna close, you don't expect it to close at the low. Usually it's like open low or it's open high low close. I mean it can something like this. So even if we just catch a little piece, I will take it. Maybe even on my funded if it's a nice displacement. A strong fucking candle. We're also in the daily fair value gap, so I wonder what's gonna happen in the PM. Am I gonna just like look at the charts later at evening and the whole move is just gonna be inverted? No way, right? Let's see. Macro's coming. Let's see. Our last opportunity, last trade of the week. See if we can get a breaker. It would be a clean one, like with the inversion too. And then CISD up here, right here, CISD. Will you save this video? Yep, it's gonna be posted. All my videos are posted. Every single live stream where it has been posted. All right, looks like what's happening. We was kind of want the breaker. I'll enter off the breaker. The RR is not that good. If I can get a better entry, maybe at the inversion or at the CISD. CISD entry. No close above. Obviously, I'm not taking this right now. I'm anticipating it to form. The macro is in 1 or 10 seconds. So let's see. If we can get SMT here, that would be great. I feel like this is gonna shoot up. DXY. Yep, DX might go lower off this fair value gap. Let's see. It'll be, yeah, wouldn't be bad. 1050 macro. I'll wait till like 11. No, I'll wait till like 11:05, 11:10. Maybe we can get 11 a.m. open, low, high, close. Like 11 a.m. power of 3. It's not like the 4-hour one because it's a 1-hour candle, but it's still good. We get SMT here. That's good too. That's low, high, lower, low, higher, high. The breaker would be right here. This would be a mitigation, not a breaker. Mit mitigation plus. Let's get an entry with a mitigation. That'd be nice. Okay. You gonna do any IRL videos, you think? I mean, I could if I was like trading in a fucking yacht or something. But like, what type of IRL videos do you mean? SMT inside the daily fair value gap, formed a mitigation block. We got the change of state of delivery. Can we get a nice push up? Probably not. Although all of this happened, it pretty much um what's it called? It's just consolidating. We have the macro, so we'll see if it could deliver. But this is some ass. This is some ass cheeks. Let's see if we take this low, but fail to take this one. Reading 1 minute candles. Yeah. Hmm. That is low, high, lower, low, higher, high. We get it. But how many breakers, how many potential breakers have I marked out today? And none of them formed. Like 1,000, 1,000,000. How many times have I drawn this box? It's got to be a world record. At least the patience was good. We were pretty locked in. Did we reprice well? Yeah, hard to say. We were just kind of waiting for something that never came. Um, long term low, short term low, short term low. This is intermediate term low, short term low, short term low. So maybe. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. I see you, I see you, I see you. I see you. Yup, I see you. Mm-hmm. Give me a fair value gap and I'll take it. Alright, so we're gonna be TPing all the time. Huh? We did not make a mistake in trade records. Give me a fair value gap and I will take it. Give me a close above and I will take it. I will take it. 3, 2. Let's go with 2 micros. Say logical TP is that is some ass RR. Let's go for like a high inside here. Um, I want to keep my stop loss at the SMT low. I'll keep my stop loss right there. Take this. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't give me a fill. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go, go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna break even as soon as if it gives me entry and goes higher. Um, let's just keep the TP there for now. It's not gonna give me a fill, is it? Stop losses at this intermediate term low. The one to risk a 109. 109 will put me at. Yeah, let's go for 109. 3 micros. We tapped into that fair value gap. It's. I would not be surprised if it just goes up from here. How was May for you? Pretty ass. Definitely my worst trading month in a really long time. We got destroyed. But I would also say the best trading month in terms of improvement and learning. Bum, 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 bum. So there's that. That's good. So we have SMT. Hopefully we don't tap into these equal highs. I'm hoping we don't tap in. If we tap in here, I might take off the limit. Because this is where I'm thinking about breaking even. And I'm just going to full TP there, I think. Full TP here, break even after we take this high. Don't do that. That's the trade. Break even after we take that high. Yeah. No, I'm not worried about the month. Um, a lot of them were like just kind of trade management mistakes. Um, let's just make this sure this is precise as hell because okay. All right, we're in. We are in. We're up $18. We're gonna take profit right there. Joking. Let's see. Hopefully we don't go too much lower. We did take out this high, but no SMT, so that's good. Decent reaction so far, but it's too early to tell. As soon as we take this high, I'm breaking even. What about the 5 minute fair value gap for a TP? Oh, this? I mean, yeah, it could play, but I'm more focused on the SMT at the lows with the breaker here on the 1 minute, and then we're inside the daily fair value gap. I'm expecting retracement. But yeah, if the 5 minutes your play, we're way too far in a premium to in a discount to be shorting. So I'm not worried about a 5 minute fair value gap. If this trade lost, I don't think the reason is the 5 minute fair value gap. I think the reason is the drawn liquidity is just still lower. which is fine. Let's see, this order block, pretty much the last. Uh, label as a FEG. We're probably getting stopped out here. It's like so close. Yep, we're out, we're out, we're out. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see if the SMT holds. SMT is still there. Wait, is this even the SMT? Oh, it was this. Oh my god, oh shit. That's the SMT. Am I tripping? Let's see what happens. See if this low gets taken. Well, the macro did deliver, at least. Just not in our direction. So we're pretty much break even this week again now. I'm just gonna see what happens in the next 7 minutes. Out of curiosity. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Such a bearish day, huh? We tried to catch along inside the daily fair value gap, but it failed. I thought it was good. I give it a B plus. B plus. The only reason being, um, if it were to form now, it would be better because we just took the hourly candle low, and then you would see retracement from there. But I don't think I can take another trade. It's Friday. Maybe I'd risk like four. Can you risk $14 on a trade? I think we'll just see. I think people in the Discord did good though. Is it gas? Couldn't trade today, but my candle got sucked, so we up. Like I said, my candle got sucked, bro. That's funny. That's actually funny as hell. That's freaking hilarious. Anyway, I don't know what's gonna happen. In my opinion, I think we definitely see some type of retracement, right? I haven't seen a move like this in a long time. I guess right here, Thursday. Wasn't this like FOMC or something though? I think this was FOMC. It had to be or something. Maybe not. No, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Anyways, that was a nice delivery short. I don't know where it came from. Like, bro, all I'm saying is there's 4-hour fair value gaps all the time. Why was everyone so interested in this one? I guess they saw the wick. They saw the wick. But that's like 9 a.m. So you would have had to enter, right? Like I feel like the short would have been like here. Like if you were gonna short since the Asian low got swept, yeah, it made sense. I mean it's CPI day, so again it's already a more difficult day. It just makes so much sense to me, like for the daily candle to do this. Like sorry, it went like this. Like literally did this. And people were like, yeah, this is gonna reverse. How? How did people think this was gonna happen? If Asian low was like standing there equal lows, oh man, different story. But we did this. In my mind, dude, this is like golden. This is like A plus plus. I mean, regardless, honestly, it was an A plus idea. It never formed, and then we took. It was an AMD. Yeah, the accumulation was pretty tight. Yeah, but like, ah, I feel like that's hard to see. It's hard to see. Like if you're trading this, if you look at the holding accumulation, yeah. I don't know. I think it's hard to see. I think it's hard to see. We're just destroying that daily fair value gap. I thought that was a manipulation too. I don't know. It's just I think it's just a hard day because CPI days are usually are more. It's not like things are more difficult. Teacher did a daily review of today. Yeah, I'll watch it. But like, yo, the thing is, I'm not saying he's not good. He reached price really well, all that. But what I'm saying is, I could do a daily review right now and explain to you what happened. The thing is, seeing that live, like seeing the, I understand going lower. I don't understand continuing lower like that. I understand this move. I don't understand this. Like if anyone here can tell me where we're even going to, that would be insane. If you could call it, if you tell me you can like, I think it's gonna go here. Mm, maybe. Like I understand. Okay, the rejection off the 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, makes sense. Sure, you can target this low, even if you want to target some of these lows. But you're telling me that this 4 hour fair value gap that's in line with a 1 hour breaker, FEG, you know, makes sense though. I don't. There's no way anyone predicted this, bro. Bro, I don't care. I don't care. The shorts from 9 a.m. make sense, and I called them too. I was as soon as I saw this, or it was shit. I don't know where it is. That was a fucking 1 hour time frame. I was like, yeah, I'll short into that 1 hour fair value gap. But damn, shit was just in a sell program, I guess. Which is, I mean, at the end of the day, it didn't give any setups long, so it's not like I lost money because of that. So I was waiting for it to come here. It came there, and nothing happened. There was like one market structure fair value gap, and I didn't take it. Um, we did take this. We got destroyed. Back in the daily fair value gap to give some type of retracement. Have a chat with IPTA and ask them. They must have fucking not updated the most recent update, bro. Well, all in all, that was a good month. It's gonna set me up for June nicely, right? We have one funded still possible, right? If we gotta go on a win streak to get a payout on this funded, we do have to go on a win streak. But I'm gonna get 3 challenges or 4 challenges, um, with Top Step lined up for June. June's gonna be a movie. I'm locked in. I'm gonna make brand new thumbnails. I got my journal. I got my second stage of backtest coming up. Um, so we did backtest January to April, and we will now do May to August, a little bit updated version. So more information, more data to get there. June's gonna be freaking awesome. Yes, sir. Actually, one thing I'll do is so June starts on the Monday, right? Third. So third. So we have 4 full clean weeks. And then what was the last thing I was gonna do? Let's look at the economic calendar for June. Do we have NFP in the first week? NFP first week. So PMI Wednesday, tradable. Damn, Monday, Tuesday, gonna be a big week. Holy shit. That's a big week, bro. So we'll be trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you know what? I'll live stream Friday, 9:30. And what's the week after? CPI on Wednesday, so Monday, Tuesday consolidation probably. CPI and then PPI. Damn. Damn. Would you trade? Bro, honestly, I would not like if I was up and I already had like many payouts, then no. But right now, I'm in my grind and I wouldn't even go on a holiday because I'm broke. So, you feel me? Yo, this June month is packed. Holy. We'll be trading every day. Where's FOMC? Oh, it's on the second week, Wednesday. Bro, CPI, FOMC, and then PPI. So it's up to you, bro. Like if, you know, honestly, it's a good idea to take a break every now and then, clear your mind, come back. You know, these weeks are crazy. We have PMI, two PMI and non-farm employment change. Big month in June. Bond auction, PPI, CPI, and FOMC all in the same week. And the next week we have retail sales, unemployment claims, and flash manufacturing PMI, EMI. Just made that up right now. Consumer confidence, unemployment claims, home sales, CPI. Damn. So we're gonna have to lock in. So what is my plan? Okay, so I have Saturday, Sunday, and today, but I'm kind of busy today. What do I gotta do? I gotta get my thumbnails. Gotta figure out my journal. I gotta get the accounts. I think we'll do 4 Top Step X at 50Ks. 4 50K Top Step X accounts. I'm gonna get those today because they're on discount. I can get like 4 for like $60 or something. Um, I'm gonna get some 50K. Yo, they allow you to have 5 funded now, so I'm gonna get 4. I'm gonna trade them. W risk management with those. I'm gonna slowly get them passed. Then we're gonna have hella funded, and then if we can get a payout in June or July, it's gonna be a nice fat fucking payout, bro. You gonna copy trade them all? Yes, sir. It's gonna be a fat fucking payout because if we can just get 2,000, we take out, or let's say 2,500 to get some buffer. I want a 2K buffer. 2,500. We take out 500 on all accounts. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2,500 paid out. And I have a 2K buffer still. So we risk 250, TP 500. We gotta pass those accounts. And yeah, we just gotta pass them. There is one issue though. I'm gonna have to pay for the activation fee for those 5 accounts or 4 accounts. That's a lot of activation fees. That's like 600 USD. That's gonna be like a grand. Damn, that's a lot. Maybe I should get 2. Maybe I should get 2, get a payout, and then get more. I think I should get 2 because it's been a while since I got in a payout. It's been tough. The trades have been good though. The trades haven't really been that bad, and I feel like I've been trading a lot better like in the last 2 weeks. Improvement for sure. I got some really nice trades. Like this short, that's a beautiful short right there. You do weekly reviews in your journal? Every single trade I do, I posted on my YouTube. But what I am gonna do is get two payouts. And first, I think I get two accounts and then try to get a payout and then use that to get more because I'm not trying to spend 1,000 of my savings on funded accounts when I haven't gotten a payout in a long time. Um, what I am gonna do for June is so the live streams and then I think a weekly review. I think a weekly review instead of daily reviews. And I'll post a weekly review, like a nicely edited video of all the trades I took in that week, the P&L for that week, and I think that'll be better. And then I'll show my journal for that week because I think it's one like 10-minute video is better than four 3-minute videos. So I think that's a better idea. And then I can like properly edit it and do properly good videos. So that's the weekly reviews of my trades, the live streams I'll be doing. Every trade is gonna be taken live. Um, it's gonna be hard to track the P&L because I have the two fundeds and I have the two challenges and the two fundeds. So we'll have to do that. If we get well internet as well, it would be good for you to look back on. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean I do that anyways, but yeah, I'll everything I do bad and good, I go over, which is why I've been improving. Honestly, like just looking back and being like, yeah, like I should have waited or this or mostly the issues have been my trade management. I would be like I can't lie, I lost a lot of trades, but my trade management, like if I took partials better, and by the way, like Kumar knows, bro, I've been like going for partials recently, and it's kind of been okay. It hasn't been paying off because I've been losing trades, but before I was like there were trades I could have ended in profit or break even had I taken partials and then managed. My stop loss management's pretty good. A lot of them though, I got stopped out and then it played out, so I trailed too early maybe. So, but I think we're good. We got a good plan going into June. Um, we're good. And the good news is too, I'm gonna be back testing right now, May, June, July, August, 4 months. Not right now, like the second, but today, this weekend. I'll see if I can make it to June. That way I can get like some experience with June, see how it was last year. Ended up running the full TP. Yeah, me too, man. It happened a couple times. It happened to me too. So I'm gonna have to lock in. Hopefully June's better. We gotta pass those challenge accounts. Like hopefully the first week. Cause I need a payout, man. You know? It's been too long. I need it, bro. I'm not trying to like focus on the money, but I need a confidence booster. I feel like one payout will make a big difference in my future trades. You know? That's all I'm trying to say. That's all I'm trying to say. With that being said, I think that's it for me. I'm gonna get those tops. We need like 2 to 3 wins in a row and you're chilling. Yeah, I don't even think we won two in a row. Actually, I did, but like they were small. Like they weren't like good, really good A+ wins. Like they seem good. Like it's yeah, it's been tough. But I think with W trade management this this week that's gonna happen, man. Yes, sir. I'm locked in. I'm locked in. I'll tell you that. So I think with that being said, I'm gonna call it there. I also have my graduation on Tuesday, the 4th. That's 7 p.m. So it is what it is, I guess. Trade management. Oh, trade management is fire. Yeah. I don't know why I read it like that. But yeah, my trade management's improved. If my trade management was better earlier, I think I would have been good. But we've been reading price really good, bro. We've been reading price good. So, anyways, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna see you guys Monday and every day of June because June is my month, bro. June is my month. Period. I'm locked the fuck in. See you guys. Peace.